Massive blackhead extraction deep cleansing transformation. Many people struggle with stubborn blackheads that stay deep inside the pores for a long time. In this video, we are showing a massive blackhead extraction where deeply clogged pores are carefully cleaned to restore smoother and healthier looking skin. These types of extractions can look intense, but they are also incredibly satisfying to watch because each removal reveals a cleaner pore underneath. Blackheads form when oil, dead skin cells, and impurities collect inside open pores. Over time, this buildup becomes hardened and oxidizes when exposed to air, turning dark on the surface of the skin. During a massive blackhead extraction, the clogged material inside the pore is gently pressed out using a professional extraction tool. The process of deep cleansing extraction begins with preparing the skin so the pores become softer and easier to clean. Once the skin is ready, a come-done extractor tool is carefully placed around the pore and gentle pressure is applied to release the trapped oil plug. Watching the buildup slowly slide out of the pore is what makes these videos so satisfying for viewers. One of the most satisfying moments during a massive blackhead removal session is when large, stubborn plugs come out in a single extraction. These deep blockages can stay inside pores for months, and removing them instantly improves the appearance of congested skin. This transformation is why deep pore extraction videos are so popular in skincare content. After several extractions, the difference becomes clearly visible. The pores appear cleaner, the skin surface looks smoother, and the overall texture improves. This is why deep cleansing transformations are often shared in skincare videos. The before and after results show how removing built-up debris can refresh the skin. However, proper skincare after massive blackhead extraction is very important. The skin needs to be gently cleansed and soothed to avoid irritation. Using calming skincare products can help reduce redness and support the skin as it recovers from the deep pore cleaning process. To prevent future blackheads, maintaining a consistent skincare routine is essential. Regular cleansing, gentle exfoliation, and using products that control excess oil can help keep pores clear. With the right care, you can reduce the chances of another massive blackhead buildup forming in the same areas. If you enjoy watching massive blackhead extraction and deep cleansing transformation videos, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more satisfying skincare content. These transformations show how proper pore cleaning can make a big difference in the overall health and appearance of the skin. If you found this massive blackhead extraction satisfying to watch, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more deep pore cleansing and skincare transformation videos. Also comment below and tell us, was this extraction satisfying to watch?